how to hide your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your YouTube channel on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So there's no way to hide or deactivate your YouTube channel within the YouTube or YouTube Studio app on your phone. So you need to open up a browser and navigate to studio.youtube.com. Check the description. I'll have a link down there. You'll see this when you get to studio.youtube.com. At the bottom, select Continue to Studio. It's going to then load the desktop version of the YouTube Studio. And all we need to do here is just pinch and zoom to the bottom left, select the gear, select Channel in that left menu, then scroll to the right and select Advanced Settings. From there, just simply scroll down, and at the bottom, you'll see Remove YouTube Content. Select that. You then might need to enter your password. Go ahead through that process. And on this page, select I want to hide my channel. From there, just go ahead and check the box. Keep in mind, you can still use YouTube during this time, but you won't be able to like anything, leave comments, anything like that. So go ahead and check both these boxes and then select Hide My Channel. They may ask you for your password one more time, but after that, you will have deactivated your YouTube channel. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.